Well, everyone, iOS 26.2 and iOS 18.7.3 are two updates that you can basically install right now. You can either go through and install 18.7.3 or you can install 26.2, and really the choice is yours. But here's the thing, when it comes down to these two updates, it's kind of up to you as to which one you think is going to be the better one for your use case. I would say if you have like an iPhone 15, 15 Pro, 16, or 17, if you switch over to iOS 26 right now, that might be a smart thing to do, right? If you want to switch over to 26.2, if you have one of the newer iPhones, it's going to take a hit on stability, maybe a hit on battery life, but it is going to be giving you some more features, some new UI. It's going to make your phone feel like a newer iPhone, to be honest. However, if you do have an iPhone 14, 13, 12, or 11, especially the 10R, 10S, and 10S Max, those iPhones I have hiccups now. Those iPhones 100% I would recommend installing iOS 18.7.3. That is going to be a more security fix, stability type of update. And all that particular update is going to do is it's going to help kind of fix and alleviate some of those types of issues and problems that you might be having inside of your particular iPhone. So that right there is going to be a very big advantage for something like an iPhone on iOS 18.7.3. And if you are going to go through and pick up an iPhone, I do think that is going to be a very nice type of phone to pick up on iOS 18.7.3. It has less features, it has less things going for it, but it is going to be giving you an increase in stability and an increase in, kind of the security updates on iOS 18. So it is going to be in line with something like 26.2 from a security standpoint, but it's going to be way more stable. And for those older iPhones, it's going to be giving you better battery life. So for the newer iPhones, like the top 3 new iPhones, the 15, 16, 17s, going up to iOS 26.2 could be a smart thing if you want a more stable phone or if you want like more features. But if you want a more stable phone with better battery life, I think iOS 18 is still going to be the better way to go. So in terms of that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.
Thank you.